The moon. Contents. Chapter 1. What is the moon? Chapter 2. The moon and the earth. Chapter 3. To the moon. Chapter 1. What is the moon? Some stories say the moon is a smiling face. Others say it is made of green cheese. But what is the moon really? Keep reading to find out. The moon is a satellite. Satellites travel around planets. The moon circles our planet, the Earth. Fast fact. It takes about 27 days for the moon to go around the Earth one time. The moon is round and hard. It is a lonely, silent place. Days are broiling hot. Nights are freezing cold. Fast fact. The Earth is about 4 times bigger than the moon. The moon is covered with deep holes called craters. It has huge rocks. It even has mountains. Moon crater. Moon rock. Chapter 2. The moon and the earth. The moon is the Earth's closest neighbor in space. That is why the moon looks so big in the night sky. The moon can seem very bright, but it does not make its own light. What you see is the sun's light shining on the moon. Fast fact. The moon's gravity pulls on our oceans, causing waters to rise and fall. We see different part of the moon's sunlit surface as it orbits the Earth. Sometimes we see a crescent moon, sometimes we see a full moon. These shapes are called phases. Here's a new moon, a crescent moon, a quarter moon, and a full moon. Once in a while, the moon moves directly between the sun and the Earth. This blocks most of the sunlight from reaching the Earth. It is called a solar eclipse. Fast fact. People protect their eyes with special sunglasses when viewing a solar eclipse. Here is an example of a solar eclipse. To the moon. The moon is the only place in space that people have visited. How did they get there? Rocket ships. The first astronauts walked on the moon in 1969. They learned that nothing lives there. There is not even any air. Fast fact. This astronaut's backpack is full of air so he can breathe. Astronaut, rocket ship. The astronauts left footprints behind when they visited the moon. The footprints will stay there for thousands of years because the moon has no wind. There's the footprints on the moon. Fast fact, only 12 people have walked on the moon so far. Would you like to go to the moon? Maybe you can train to be an astronaut. Then someday you might be able to leave your footprints there too. Fast fact, kids can go to space camp to learn how to be astronauts. The end.